Hey everybody, it is March 5th, and today on Sandra Boynton's Every Day is a Fabulous Holiday Calendar, it is Day of Unplugging. Sorry it's so dark. I have unplugged the lights. I should have enough battery power on my phone to get through this. So Day of Unplugging, I really don't know what the intent was, but I've gone around unplugging things. Oh, little note. They do not celebrate this at the hospital. Don't try. But I've unplugged so much. I have so many things that I cannot do now. I cannot watch the TV. I can't use my laptop. But honestly, the worst part has been unplugging the coffee maker. And let me tell you, the grounds, they're not nearly as good on their own. I've barely made it through a couple spoonsful. I would look it up, but I'm using my phone and my laptop's unplugged. Oh. Happy day of unplugging.